I am entirely burnt out over finals right now. I don't even know why I'm making this video right now. I think I'm just kind of hoping that someone out there relates to me. But school sucks, man. College sucks. I'm not even making this post to like complain about college or like the difficulty of college. I think college is actually kind of easy. I study environmental science. It's not the hardest degree in the world, but it's also not the easiest. There's a lot of chemistry and biology involved, and I like to think I put in my fair share of work. Just last night I was up till around 4 a.m. working on a project that was due the following morning, and since it's gonna be crappy out the next few days, I really wanted to get out riding, even though I'm operating on like a grand total of like 3 hours of sleep right now. I often find myself questioning like, why am I even bothering with school? It doesn't pay me anything. I'm 22 years old, you know? I'm out living in a house now with my friend. I have bills. I have things I have to pay for. Well, I should say I have things I want to pay for. This isn't a necessity to get by, but a lot of times I find myself sitting in class, shaking my foot. I'm like, I could be out doing something right now. And I find it almost impossible to even focus at times. And then that ends up leaving me having to catch up the next day. And it's this constant cycle of like falling behind and catching up just to make sure I can pass. And then I hop on this thing and I'm like, what's it all even for? I could die at any second on this thing. I'm not trying to make this sound depressed or anything like that, because I'm not. I'm actually like, I'm some of the happiest I've been in my life. Years, actually. I got friends. I have a job. YouTube. It's one of the best jobs on the planet. I get to come on here and talk to you guys about problems that I've been dealing with my life. Not everybody gets to do that. Oh yeah, I'm already feeling better. I feel wide awake. But yeah, like I'm again not complaining about school or like the difficulty of school or anything. Hello. That's cute. I think I'm just starting to understand why a lot of creators end up dropping out of school. I mean, it's like a tale as old as time at this point. A YouTuber starts doing well, he decides to quit school, start scaling it up, and usually what you hear are the success stories. You hear the people who are doing very well with YouTube, and they end up being massive successes because of it. And while, yeah, I've found some success while doing that, while balancing that with school, I'm sure it would be way more if I had moved out of Ohio and started doing content full-time instead of worrying about school. So why don't I? What's stopping me? So I'm a junior in college. I'm like right there. I am almost done. I literally have 1 to 2 more semesters and I'm done. I'm on it. I got my degree. I have a college degree, which is more than what a lot of YouTubers can say. And I think there's something to that. But let's be real. I'm not going to be young forever. I'm not going to be 22 years old with super bikes forever. You know, there's going to be some other hotshot that comes along. People always move on, and it's only getting worse as time goes on, especially motorcycle content. Even though it's the best job in the world, I mean, being young and in this space and being hungry, like, that's an advantage, but it only gets worse as you get older. And just being able to have that college degree to fall back on, like, that's valuable. That peace of mind is valuable, knowing that I don't have to depend on this. All a college degree really does is just tell people that, hey, for 4 years, I showed up at this place on time and I did all the work on time and well enough to get the degree. That's basically all it does these days, unless you're going for higher education. And again, this is just an opinion of some idiot YouTuber. But in my experience, that's what it's been. A lot of the people I know don't have jobs in the exact field that they got their degree in. It might be related, but it's not the job that they thought that they would get when they graduated. Everybody wants the comfort job, their dream job. The problem is a lot of people have the same dream jobs, and someone's got to work the jobs that actually pay out there. Not everybody wants a tax accountant. Someone's got to do it. And I would know, I pay my guy very well. He makes probably a lot of money. You don't need an accounting degree to do accounting. As long as you're certified and you've taken the classes, you're pretty much good to go. Like I said, you can make some bank, and I know this firsthand, you can make some bank doing some accounting. So that's basically why I stay in college, just because of that peace of mind. It sucks right now. It really sucks. Because I feel like I'm in the prime of my life right now. I've barely gotten to work out this week. I've only worked out twice, dude. Imagine if I could work out 7 days a week. I could do diet planning. I would be huge. I would look so lean and so hot. I've worked out twice this week and I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, dude. I can literally feel my muscles eroding away right now. My dieting has been total crap. I've been eating Chipotle pretty much every day since February. Neutral shifted. I cannot show that on camera. That's so embarrassing. It's probably a good thing because this looks like a cop right here. No, it isn't. What? That's such a weird... That would have given me a heart attack coming over that hill. There's like no way I just got saved with a neutral shift, but no, that's not even a cop anyway. Whatever. Okay, we're not going to talk about that. Oh no, that's a little honeybee. We're going to leave you be, even if you might sting me because you think I hit you or something. I'm sorry, bro. I'm going to leave you alone now. Yeah, he likes it. Kind of tying back to what I said in the beginning of the video, like, yeah, I could die at any point. When I first started school, and right around the time when I first got into motorcycles, man, I hate to admit this, but I was depressed. And so something really interesting happened. That bee is gone. Hopefully he doesn't sting me, because I did no harm to him, or I tried not to. Yeah, I was depressed for a while, especially when I first started school, but it could have been very easy for me to just give up on life and just kind of start coasting, not working towards anything. I bought a motorcycle right before I started school, and the people I met through that second bike I bought, it was my second motorcycle, my red FZ09, my 2014 FZ09. I met so many people I'm not even friends with to this day, but I still attribute that bike, as dangerous as it was, to saving my life. If I hadn't started school when I did, I would be in the same spot now, questionably happy, but no worse off then than I would be now. But even though I didn't want to, by starting school then, I have improved my life infinitely more because of it, even though it was the hardest decision to make. And I'm obviously a long way from that old FZ09, but life changes pretty fast. Life moves very fast, and it could change again in the blink of an eye. But I can guarantee you, as long as I can move, I'm never giving up. That video took quite a bit of a tone shift, didn't it? Yeah. Oh, I want to change something real quick. So it keeps giving me a tire pressure sensor warning. I don't care. It's off by like 0.5 psi. I'm not fixing it. BMW, I want you to shut up about it. How about that? How do I configure this? System settings? Nope. Play? Nope. Information? Nope. Great, now the fan's going. I don't know. Whatever, fine. I'll put some air in it when I get home. I literally, I could not care less. What's going on? What's going on? Well, it says neutral.
What's up?
It says neutral, so.
Yeah, right. Are you Matthew Wood?
Yeah, nice to meet you too, bro. I like your 660. Oh, thank you, bro. You just come from State 8? No?
No, I did not.
I just did. That's why I was wondering. I was like, it's a lovely place to cruise, bro.
So I bought the bike at State 8. So I've been down these roads before, but yeah.
Hey, you want to pull up? I'm going to grab your Snapchat real quick.
Sounds good, bud.
Grab some time. All right, go ahead. You're good. There, that's f***ing neutral. I was like, what the f***? I just got this thing running right, and now it's all of a sudden bogging out on me again.
What was wrong with it?
It wasn't shifting. It would like go into like a false neutral. Ended up being a piece up here that I put on, part of a $600 rear set that I ended up throwing out, but money down the drain. That's so funny though. You watch the stuff.
I do, yeah.
yeah, that works. Yeah, it was, I probably could have went more depth in the why, but yeah, it was a $600 rear set piece right there.
Yeah, right.
But whatever. I just put the stock piece back on. Dealership didn't charge me, which was lit, but that was sills. I'm assuming you probably bought that at State 8, at least.
I had Ducati put the exhaust on.
Oh, Ducati did? Love that dealership. Is this your first year riding?
First, season.
First what?
First season.
Oh, okay, there you go.
I mean, I rode dirt bikes when I was younger, but...
It's good that you're geared up. Whatever, he could wait. I wasn't even trying to film today. I was just like, it was beautiful out, and it's gonna be the next few days, so I was like, right. Nobody wanted to ride until I literally just spoke to Sid, so well, I'll hit you up sometime, bro. We'll go for a ride. Yeah, be fun. Don't get an RSV4, I'll tell you that though. Huh? Don't get an RSV4, I'll tell you that. Just keep watching, you'll see what's up. I'm working on the video. It's coming out in the next few days, trust me. All right, be safe, bro.